Every day, millions of people around the world are secretly battling a serious addiction to painkillers. They are very often not the type of people you would normally associate with having a serious drug dependency, and the battle they have to come off of these drugs is tremendous. It can be a vicious cycle, wondering how to fight painkiller addiction, when you desperately need these drugs to stop feeling the pain. Becoming a painkiller addiction is so common, that you would be surprised by the number of people living and working alongside of you who may be battling this problem themselves. It is not the kind of addiction that you can see, and many family and friends are not even aware of the seriousness of the problem until the person has come forward themselves. Painkillers are normally prescribed for someone who has been experiencing pain, either from an accident or surgery, to control the symptoms while their body is healing. But, as the person uses these prescription drugs, their bodies begin to build up a tolerance to the medication itself, which in turn requires them to take more to feel any effects. It really is hard to see the addiction happening. As more and more of the drug is being needed to keep the pain level down, the body keeps building up the tolerance. Eventually, the body needs the drug to avoid feeling pain and withdrawal. Then, the problem is compounded by the fact that they are addicted, and not only would they have the pain that they were trying to avoid in the first place come back if they went off the drugs, but they would suffer from severe withdrawal symptoms as well. So, is there a way to battle an addiction to painkillers? There has recently been a new drug called Suboxone introduced on the market to fight against the problem of painkiller addiction. It works to take the patient off of the painkiller, without the withdrawal symptoms. Some of the users of this drug feel that it is a miracle drug that has helped them overcome their addiction. But, there are others who feel that you are only replacing one drug with another, saying that when you eventually try to come off the Suboxone, you will still go through the withdrawal. The best way to overcome any addiction is to first talk to a doctor that you trust. Don't be afraid to admit that you have a problem. Hiding the severity of the addiction is not going to help, so make sure your doctor knows the extent of your painkiller use. The doctor will then be able to come up with a plan for bringing you off of the painkillers, while being able to monitor your progress and to be sure that you are not suffering from too much pain. Once you have come to terms with your addiction, and admitted that you have a problem, you will be able to find out exactly how to fight a painkiller addiction, and start on your road to recovery. Any addiction is hard to overcome, but with support and a strong reason why, it can be done. For more incredible videos and articles about health and fitness visit malehealthclinic.com.